I don't have an important question.
We don't have an important answer.
So I'm here from Maui, and you were talking about new words, and I just wanted to share. I have this dear friend, the one who introduced me to you. Her name is Simone, and she had this wonderful word. I thought you'd like to hear it. It's elationship. And the reason we say it is, say she's elated, and I was already elated, and then we meet. She told me it's not a relationship. There's no resistance. There's no R, right? Two elated people can rendezvous in an elationship.
We like it.
Do you like it?
We like it. We like it. We love it. And we want to take it a little bit further, and of course you know this, and so does she, that in order for you to be elated, you already have found resonance. You've already united with the wholeness of that which you are. So you are already in a relationship with the source within you. And then law of attraction will bring other cooperative components to match you. Very good.
You're so smart. That's what I meant. I align with source. I get in the vortex. I'm done. I don't even care about manifesting.
Well, you know what's so wonderful about that? Everything that everyone wants, no matter what it is because they think they will feel better in the having of it. So when you figure out how to have that elationship, and you are already in complete alignment with who you are, now you've already come full circle to the reason that you want anything. But we want to help you to remember that you are here in this physical format because it is so delicious from your vortex standpoint to then affect manifestation. In other words, creation in this leading edge time-space reality, the stuff, the matter, the people, the conversations, the understanding, the philosophies, the economy, everything will evolve or be spawned from your aligned state of being. And so don't you just really enjoy finding alignment with who you are, and then watching that vortex relationship and that connection with this energy that creates worlds? Don't you just love it when that creative power flows through your creative fingertips for the confirming manifestation of your alignment?
I love what you said, that when you're in the vortex, you get evidence that you're in there, not as a reward, but as a consequence of being in alignment with who I am. I said I don't care if anything manifests, and just to be clear,
here it comes.
From in the vortex,
here it comes.
From in the alignment, everything freaking manifest like crazy. I mean, like beyond my dreams.
Yes.
And I'm not even trying. I just align.
And so let's talk about what some of those manifestations are. First, that glorious emotion that you're feeling is a manifestation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Think about it. I want that and that and that and that. And if I get that and that and that, then I'll feel good. So it's the feeling good that's the manifestation that you're looking for all along. When you figure it out, that what you're really looking for is being in the vortex or being in full resonance with who you are, and that from that position then that vortex in you, that complete full you, then affects the manifestations. And we've been saying it to you in many ways for many years, that you have to be in vibrational alignment with what you want in order for it to come about. And we've been talking about manifestations, but for most people there has been a gap between this business of doing the vibrational work and the manifestations. And almost everybody says, okay, here I stand, I'm a manifested being, and I care about the what-isness of my life. And we say, of course you do. Because what is. It's who you are. It's where you be. Everything that surrounds you equals the manifestation of this moment. In other words, everyone you talk to, the thoughts you think, the feelings you have, it's all manifesting now, manifesting now. So most people say, all right, here I am. I don't have as much money as I want. I'd like to manifest more money. My car, I don't even want to talk about my car. I want a new car. I'm really not very happy with where I live, and I'm looking for a relationship. I'm looking for a relationship. I'm looking for something better than what I've had. I'm looking for a relationship. So I want to manifest these things. And they feel like pinnacle things. They feel like big things. They feel like things off in the distance. I want to manifest these things. So I think I'll go to this stupid meeting. The science of deliberate creation, the art of allowing, the law of attraction. I'll go to this meeting and I'll figure out how to manifest those things so that I can then be happy. And so even though we visit in lots of ways, we talk about this year after year after year, almost everyone is still doing it that way. I want to fill in the missing pieces of my life, so I'm therefore willing to do whatever it takes to fill in the missing pieces of my life. And we say, and you said, and we know, and you know, that the only missing piece is the elationship with your inner being that you've been looking for. That's the only missing piece. That's the only missing piece. The cooperative components have already been gathered and are ready to manifest. You're just the missing link. You're just the holdout, not always, but sometimes, in being the cooperative component. So when you get it, that your work is to ignore what is, no matter what it is, to ignore it, to love it and appreciate it for the expansion that it has caused, but now get off of it and start feeling your way into the vortex. Feeling your way into the vortex. And what we've noticed is most of you won't make the effort to feel your way into the vortex as long as you have some other way of wrestling it to the ground and killing it. Esther said, I realized that I wasn't really lining up, because why line up? I've got people. I have people to call. Something goes wrong, I'll just call someone and say, can you take care of that? And the people around me are so efficient and so good at it that they can put out the brush fire almost as fast as I can set them. But in time, you come to this place, and you certainly have found this place, where feeling good is what really matters. And if we can convince you that the way you feel is what matters, and you have the ability to feel good no matter what now, because you have the ability to focus in a way that allows you to feel good no matter what now. If you can find the feeling place of alignment, what happens is then, in your complete alignment, where in your vortex, everything that you've been asking for has been gathered. Now, the vortex will lay the groundwork and create the path, the delicious unfolding path for the manifested discovery of what you're looking for. And that's what we started to ask you a little bit ago, when we want to say to you, isn't it delicious to have found the resonance of knowing, more than belief, of knowing your wholeness, and then to watch that wholeness be manifested again and again in a conversation, in a sweet making of love, in a manifestation of something that you want, in details of life that are delicious in every way, no matter what the subject of it. Because once you get there, once you begin consciously and deliberately manifesting from inside the vortex, then you know what else you get? You get the freedom of resistance, which is just divine. And you get something that almost all of you have been speaking about since you were very, very little. You get knowledge of your worthiness, because the manifestations just keep supporting the wholeness of who you are.
I understand perfectly. Don't go backwards. Don't try to look for the manifestation to get into the vortex. Don't go backwards.
On the Alaskan cruise ship, Esther came around the corner from her stateroom with Barbara, and the crazy Abraham participants on the ship had orchestrated a mob dance.
Sweet.
They were coming down the stairwells, they were coming up the stairwells, they were coming out of the hall, they were coming out of their doors. It was quite a sight to see. And
I'm
the
there.
song that they were playing and dancing to was never look back, 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 because everything is forward, everything's in the vortex. That's who you are. And when you look back, you deprive yourself of who you are, and it doesn't feel good. And when you look back, you're defending, you're justifying, you're explaining, you're probing. In other words, the now is the richness. It's this now here-ness. We began last Sunday in Seattle by saying, we are extremely pleased that you are here, 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 here. And we want to help you to feel the bigness of the here-ness, because here means the convergence of all that you are. And here, this powerful now where you meet you is all any of us have. But the thing that you are helping us to emphasize that is really a new leading edge understanding that you're resonating with is that when you are here in your physical bodies, in this time-space reality, in this room, having this conversation, and you are resonating in vibrational accord with the wholeness of who you are, then you allow who you are to be here with you too, here with you too. No separation, no deprivation, here with you. And that's when you are feeling the fullness of who you are. That's the way life is supposed to feel. You're supposed to feel really, really, really brilliant. You are. You're supposed to feel really, really, really adored. That's who you are. You're supposed to feel appreciation for each and everything that you focus upon. And when you look out into a diverse world, there's plenty that you can find not to appreciate on. Don't look too long there. Because when you look too long there, it sucks you out of the vortex, or really the vortex can't hold you when you do that. So
we're here. Who I am is here. I'm here. Simone's here. We're just here.
Yes,
we're
indeed.
just here. And my others, just the last thing, my slogan, I wanted to share my latest slogan that my words to live by is this: love has taken over. That's my life. Love has taken over.
we like it too. We like that
I love
too.
it.
Would you like a little embellishment on that as well?
Oh, yeah.
Since it's the leading edge, why not? Yes.
Yeah.
Love is a manifestation, because emotion is a manifestation, isn't it? Alignment is a manifestation. So love is a manifestation in the moment that cannot be accurately articulated because it's so deep.
Yeah.
And so when you find that manifestation, you are there. So
Thank you.
there are two things that happen under those conditions. We talked about that. So whether you call it love, worthiness, what it really is freedom in the moment that you're focused there. Freedom from resistance, which is the only thing that ever makes you feel bad. Nice to know. We have enjoyed our relationship.
I'm getting so good, better every day at getting into the vortex and staying in the vortex longer and longer. And my question is, if I want to move it to the next level, if I want to be supercharged, like Esther is supercharged, what does my day look like? How do I focus my energy on a daily basis?
But you see, here's the thing. This question is a little bit like what we've been talking about all morning here, that it has effort and trying in it rather than an understanding that from inside the vortex it will be inspired. So what you're saying is, what can I do to get that? And we're saying, get that, and it'll tell you what to do. What can I do to get supercharged? Get into the vortex. The vortex is a supercharge, and then you'll receive the inspiration from inside the vortex.
I'm wondering about practices as far as the focus wheels and the rampages and all of those things. It's like...
Well, when we come back from segment of refreshment, and at some point today, we're going to talk about the advantage of just relaxing and releasing from wherever you are. We're all making too much of it. The bottom line is, you're already there. Just figure out how to get over there and be it. And you say, well, I would be it, except I've got this and this and this and this. And we say, don't talk about this and this and this and this, and you'll be there. And you say, but this and this and this are important. This and this and this. Look at 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 this. I want to talk about this. Please talk with me about this. And we say, as long as you talk about that, you're not going to be over here. And if you're not over here in the vortex, then you're not going to get the solution. I know. Well, so tell me how to get over there. Don't talk about that. But I need to talk about that because it's important. Because, well, let me at least tell you how long it's been here. And let me tell you how it feels. And I'm not the only one who has it. And I really don't want it. And could you help me get rid of this so that I can get over there? And we say, no, we can't help you get rid of that, because as long as you're looking at that, you've got that. Because as long as you're looking at that, you are that. It's deep in your vibration and your cork cannot float. You've got to get somebody to rub your feet and float.